I accidentally fell into a research position, but I don't really know that much about it. So I'm in this nuclear class and I really want to work in the nuclear field, and my professor's talking about like how much interest there is and how there is like way more demand than there is supply for like engineers in the nuclear field. So I was like, okay, great. So I went up and talked to him after class and I was like, hey, do you know if there are any companies that are hiring, maybe for like internship positions or like part-time jobs, whatever? He started listing off a bunch of them. I was like, hey, are any of them in Austin? Because I'm here in Austin, I can't really move. And he was like, well, the only one that's in Austin is university. I was like, okay, great. Who do I talk to about the university? He was like, yeah, you talk to me. I was like, okay, well, I want to do it. He was like, okay, cool. Just send me a message. I was like, all right. So I sent him a message last Thursday. And then I didn't hear from the man. So I was like, cool, I guess that's fine. I'll try and figure out something else. And then he messages back on Wednesday in a group chat. And he's like, hey, to like his research assistant. And he's like, hey, these are the undergrads that I have either hired or am in the process of hiring. Please like let them know what we're doing. And on the list of names was my name. I was like, oh shit, okay. Am I hired? What does that mean? And I looked through, and basically the project that we're doing, I got more details on this. I just got back from my meeting with the head research assistants, the grad students. And basically the project is we are looking for different power plants, mostly coal, but occasionally natural gas, that could be replaced with nuclear plants. And basically it has to do with like population density, like the power line transmission wires around them, and seeing like what kind of capacity of nuclear that we could actually produce around that area. But I still don't know, like, is it a paid position? Like, what? Like, I found out that I'm a research assistant, like that's my title, but I don't know like the hour commitment, the meetings, like and I still need to meet with my professor, but he's really hard to get a hold of.